Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove green dot from your Snapchat. The green dot is something that shows that you are online. Now let's dive into the topic. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Then tap on Bitmoji or profile icon on your top left corner. This will open your profile. On your profile, you can see a gear icon or a setting icon on your top right corner. Tap on it. Now scroll down until you see privacy control. Under privacy control, you can see activity indicator. Tap on it. Now turn off the activity indicator. This will remove green dot from the Snapchat. Let's head back and check it out. Go to your profile and there's no more green dot on your profile. And that's it, you have successfully removed green dot from the Snapchat. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next video.